Welcome to 93, everybody. Today's a big day. It's a day 1 year ago today. I lost one of my besties, Paula. I miss you, Paula, so much. I wish you were at home cheering me on instead of heaven. You're supposed to meet me for my birthday party, our 80th. What the hell? Whew. I love you, Paula. So day 93, it's going to be a 20-mile. I am slackpacking. Achilles is somewhere behind me, and Fancy Pants is behind him. And we're starting at mile 1085. Fukari left about a half an hour, 40 minutes ago. I wish I left when he did. And Simple is waiting behind to get his shoes, his hiking shoes, but hopefully they come soon. And he will be on his way. We're staying at the Ironmaster hostel tonight. It's supposed to be some big old like stone mansion, so it'll be cool. All right, well, have a good day. Bye. Yeah, so this is Caledonia State Park. Oh, last night we stayed at Through It All Ministry Church. They were very nice. They had lots of bunks and beds, and got to I didn't attend the Bible study, but I was sitting in the room during the Bible study. I think it was really neat. There's some young kids there. It's so important to have some kind of faith, I believe. It doesn't matter if you're Catholic, Protestant, Jewish, Episcopalian, whatever, non-denominational. I think it's just important to have faith to get us through. Maybe the world would be a better place if we had someone who we felt we were accountable to. I don't know what happened to this world. But it was a neat place. They had a food bank for people. They had a big white fluffy cat. I woke up this morning, he was sitting right in the middle of the church, facing like the altar, as if he was saying his morning prayers. Oh, her name is Princess. Oh, she's a big cat, and she is a princess. But everybody was really kind. We had, again, a great dinner last night. We ordered, and I got quesadilla, fries, and a nice salad. So I'm praying that there's not a lot of boulders like yesterday. Oh, but I can see stairs right now. Everybody knows how much I love stairs. So instead of doing 2.9 miles an hour, I'll be back down to 1.2 miles an hour. Here we go. This is one of the shelters that I really wanted to stay at. This is Quarry Gap Shelter. It's so pretty. The caretakers do such a fabulous job here. Look at this. It's a bench. Tons of flowers. beautiful. So pretty. There's tent pads over there. Look at this. Aren't they sweet? It's a little. Wow. Pretty amazing. I think Paula would have loved this section. Going through here with all the mountain laurels. They're so pretty. Again, this is just amazing. It goes on as far as your eyes can see. I think this was a gift from Paula today to me to enjoy. Thank you, my friend. I love you. This is Birch Run Shelter. It's so pretty. Yeah, it's closed because of bats.
It says bat bugs on the sign.
Bat bugs? What a
bat bug?
I have no idea. Don't go in there. So pretty though. I want to know who makes this up. Dead Woman's Hollow Project. Oh, I'm just so excited to be on that trail. Wow, this is huge. I've seen this on so many videos, and I'm so excited. This is the halfway point, but it's kind of the old halfway point, I guess. I don't know, but I'm so happy. Woohoo! A lot of people don't make it here, and it's really just an honor to be here. I'm so lucky. Thank you, John. I love you. I miss you. Almost at my destination. Ironmaster's mansion. This is Pine Grove Furnace, the home of the half-gallon challenge. That will be tomorrow. Well, another thing that I've seen on YouTube videos for years, where they have the half-gallon challenge. Amazing. I can't believe that I'm here. So this is the inside of the Ironmaster's mansion. Actually, it is a bathroom. Little sitting room, I guess. So dark. Hall of Fame. That's funny. Ooh, walking sticks. Kind of cool. Very interesting.
Talk later.
There's another room. So you check in, have breakfast. Ooh, I don't know. Now this is upstairs. This isn't bad up here. More. I'm already lost. And I think there's private rooms up here. It smells better over here. I think it's so dark. So today overall was a good day. Got to the halfway point. Now I'm where they do the half-gallon challenge, which I'm not doing, even though I basically have been practicing in my whole life for that. I'm at the Ironmaster's mansion. Very much mixed kind of feelings about it. I would not have a 0 here for sure, but it's not bad. Only 25 bucks. So very flat trail today, easy trail, 20 miles of slackpacking, which was fabulous. Always love to slackpack. And tomorrow we got 15, but lots of ups and downs. And I'm going to bed early, so have a good night.